everyone, we are staying in the house today and for the coming days or weeks because of that naughty virus. The naughty virus! Well, anyway, at least we have plenty of time to cook. We will show you today how we cook our special beef kare-kare. So let's start cooking! These are all the ingredients we will need. Beef with oxtail, aubergine, pak choy, salt and pepper, peanut and peanut butter, shrimp paste that we will use later, banana blossoms, green beans, garlic and onions. We will also need oil, water and corn flour. First step, pressure cook the beef for an hour or 2 hours if you're not using a pressure cooker. Just add 800 ml of water to the beef. Let's prepare the other ingredients while waiting for the beef. Let's start with grinding the half cup of peanuts. Place it in a bowl. Now we need to soak the dried banana blossoms in the bowl of water. After cutting the aubergine, soak it in a bowl of water so that the color won't darken. It easily turns brown when exposed to air, just like apple and potato. Now remove the beef from the pressure cooker and set aside the broth for later. Heat the oil in a big pan. Sauté the garlic and onion. Make sure it doesn't get burnt. Add in the beef and mix it. Pour in the broth and cover the pan. Bring it to boil. When you see that it's boiling, add in the salt and pepper. Mix it well. Add in the banana blossoms. Make sure to remove the water from it. Now add a tablespoon of water to the corn flour, then mix it well and pour it into the pan. Pour in the ground peanut and the peanut butter as well. Mix it. As you can see here, the aubergine did not darken its color because we soaked it in the water. Let's add it in and cook it for about 4 minutes. Add in the green beans and cook it for another 3 minutes. Put the pak choy on top and cook it for 3 minutes. It tastes great with new cooked rice, and this dish is not complete without the shrimp paste or ginisang bagoong. I don't like bagoong, but my mommy and daddy loves it.